Yes, hello, good morning everyone. So, updated ang ating version 3. So, si Meralco po, nandito na sa ating version 3. So, i-update ko lang po yung available nating billers. So, biller po natin is si Aeon Credit Service, Caritas Health Shield, eCashPay, Equicom Savings Bank, Global Dominion Financing Incorporated, Home Credit, Ino Globe, Philippine Health Insurance Corporation, Philippine Overseas Employment. So, ito po is under sa financial services. And then, for our utilities, andyan na po si Bacolod City Water District, BP Water Works Incorporation, Good Hands Water District, Water Specialist, Laguna Water, Manila Water, Maynilad Water, North Sagaray Water District, and Subic Water. Then for others, andyan na po si Caritas Financial, Converge, uh, Eternal, Homemark, Loyola Plans Consolidated, Magnificat Ventures, Malate Construction and Development Corporation, Manulife China Life Assurance, Maxicare at si Unified Marketplace. Then si electric utilities po natin, nandiyan na po si Albay Power Energy Corporation, Benguet Electric Cooperative, Double Light Power Corporation, Guimaras Electric Cooperative, Iloilo Electric Cooperative, and Meralco po. So, at last, nandito na po siya. So, sa paghihintay po natin na medyo ilang araw po na nawala sa version 1, nandito na po siya kay kay version 3. So, si Visayan Electric Company din po. Then, telecommunication. So, andyan pa rin si Bayantel, Globe at Racitical. Ano ba? Telcom. Yan. Then, si government po natin sa Pag-ibig Fund and Pilipinas Teleserye. Di po ba? Then, online billers natin, si Dragon Pay po. Then, cable TV natin, si Royal Cable Vision. Airlines po, si Cebu Air. And school and university, si Apex School and ICCT College. Then, credit card, Bank of Philippines Island, bank card at Metrobank. So, yan po yung updating na ating bayad center or ating mga pay bills. So, walking bayad center na po tayo once again. Thank you po sa pakikinig. So, congratulations everyone. Meralco po are kicking now. So, welcome po. And good morning.